is everything about speech intelligibility. So question 1 has focus on speech intelligibility and STI, but STI is not affected, almost not affected, by frequency response and distortion of the loudspeaker. For example, let's listen to a sound with wide frequency bandwidth and low harmonic distortion.
This is a test for speech intelligibility assessment.
And now let's listen to another example with the same STI value but played with a low quality loudspeaker with irregular frequency response and high distortion.
This is a test for speech intelligibility assessment.
So STI doesn't tell everything. The other aspect is the acoustic comfort. And acoustic comfort has to do with adequate SPL over the audience, like for example an even sound coverage of the whole area, but also having an SPL which is adapted to the situation. Like for example, if the background noise varies, which is often the case, for example, in transports, then we want the SPL to be adapted to the background noise. Also, we want to have a high sound quality. We just heard that we want a good quality loudspeaker with wide frequency bandwidth and low distortion and clear and dynamic sound. There are many other issues that are non-acoustic, of course, like for example the aesthetics, the ease of modeling, maintenance, installation and use, and the reliability, of course, the conformity to standards, which is a very important issue in practice, and of course the price.